Today I want to show you how we cook our lentil soup, and it's very nice, very healthy, and also you feel good after you eating that. Okay. So the ingredients for that lentil soup we have here: 250 gram red lentil, 2 potato, 2 carrots, 1 white onion, and then I put a vegetable stock powder, 2 tablespoons. And we have here, I will see how many water we need. I have here in the water cooker 1 liter water, and I will put another half liter, so we will see how much we need. I will not put too much herbals, like, you can put a bay leaf. Normally when you cook it you can put 1 bay leaf, or for the herbal you can put curcuma or whatever. Many people do different things. You also can put lemon juice after or whatever, but me, I want to make a simple lentil soup, and I will show you how to make that today. So at first we have to put a little bit oil. So we will start with the onions. You don't need too much. You let it get a little bit hot, but it's okay. You can put that already in. You put first the onion, the 1 onion in. You get the onion golden, a little golden color. Little, not too much, you see. Then you put the potato and the carrots in. The lentil at last, because you don't have to cook it first, Put all in a little bit, only little. So and then at last you put the lentil. $250 grams I put. Did I already say that? Yeah? 250 gram lentil.
Yeah, you said it.
Okay. Then mix it all together. So I already have cooked the 1 liter water because I want to show you something. See? The 1 liter is, so now you can see there is more water, and then everything can cook. The thing is now I put the vegetable stock powder. I put 2 tablespoons, but you can put any herbal you like. I don't want to put too much herbal powder in, only the vegetable stock powder and a little bit black pepper. That's all. My wife don't like too much herbal also.
Exactly.
There are people who put whatever, chili and this and this and this. I don't like that. So, the thing is, you can let it cook. Cook too much, cook. Then it takes only around 20 minutes. But you have to stay here and every time shake it, because if you don't do that, on the ground it will be overcooked, you know.
Yeah.
And this I don't want. This is why we let it cook for 30 minutes. And then we will see. Also, I look how much water is in. This is why I have 1.5 liter. This is 1 liter. If I see there is not too much water anymore, then I put the other half liter. Okay, but it's up to you. So here for you to see, I cook it slowly. So this is why it takes 30 minutes. But on the floor, there is nothing, you know, it's not overcooked or something, you know. This is why we cook it 30 minutes. So, we have cooked all, let it cook for 30 minutes. Now it looks like that. You see? It's not too it's creamy. So, but we like to puree it. Is that right? Puree?
Yeah, puree.
Because it will be more nice. So the puree. So we have puree.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not too long, because you see we want something from the vegetable also. But now it looks very good, and the taste also is very nice. So all in all, I have cooked that in 30 minutes. So I have put additional half liter water and puree it, yeah? Puree it a little bit more. So now the soup is like that. It's creamy, but not too creamy, and I think like that the soup is good. But it's up to you how you want it. If you want it like that, then put 1.5 liter water. If you want it more creamy, then put less. It's up to you. Okay? I hope you have enjoyed today our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.